Is there a reason why you didn't stop? Huh?
So what do you mean stop?
Didn't stop because I had my lights on, turned my siren on. I got you at 80 miles per hour.
I was not.
Yeah, and I got you on camera and everything back there. I took you with the LiDAR. You're on the far left lane. All right, need to see your driver's license, proof of insurance.
I don't. I live right there. I
Okay.
have my twins and my kids.
Okay. Well, the kids aren't restrained. You don't have your seatbelt on.
They do.
They don't.
They do.
You can't have two people in the front seat.
I'm right there. I had to get my kids. I had to get my sister's kids. It's been a long night. I'm just trying to get home. I
just want the Woodbine on a white Camry.
What's your social?
I have a warrant in Madison County. They don't want to pick me up.
Okay. And what is your name?
It's Alicia Thompson. I just need to make it home and send it okay. I live in the trailer park. If you will follow me, I will go to court.
What's your date of birth?
5/29/97.
I'll check okay. Brakes are just shut the car off and step out here. All right, just step back here.
Right in front of Circle Center.
Go ahead.
We had fireworks. We were at the...
Could you repeat?
Sure, with it, Cassandra, Andy.
What is your name? Negative. The sock's gonna be...
You could follow me home. I'm just trying to get home, sir.
Okay.
10-605.
I'm gonna ask you, have you been drinking today?
Yeah, good.
Huh?
I'm going to reroute you to 3341 Hamilton.
You had a beer?
Just earlier. Just
Squad's heading to that location. Unknown problem. Someone called.
So when was that?
Someone's bloody.
It's been about 2 hours ago.
Just one beer.
Okay, that was the...
Okay. Well, I'm going to run you through some
They're not
tests.
attached to Kentucky. Just the registration was expired 6/22/23.
You know you gotta have the kids in car seats and stuff.
Sir, it's just my sister was drunk.
Yeah, it's called unlawful restraint in the front,
I'd
okay?
rather me drive than my sister.
And then you've been drinking.
I haven't had a beer, though. Okay. My sister is really fucked up. I took her kids. I do understand. But they're not restrained correctly. I'm just trying to get home. I know she couldn't drive. There was no way.
1 on 4.
I mean, all the sheriffs up here know me. I'm not trying to say nothing against you, but if it was a sheriff up here, they would...
District 3, 479.
1 on 4. What are you doing?
No, we're almost home. Get in the car, please. I was drunk, so I had the kids with me.
But see, here's my traffic stop. Okay? And here's the thing. I'm going to have to tow the vehicle. Okay, yeah, I'm going to tow the vehicle.
I live right there.
I get it. We can give you a ride. We'll provide you with a ride.
Twins. You can't
Where
give me a
that's
ride
at?
because I have twins and everything.
Where was that at?
5 check up.
Sir, you can't follow me.
I cannot let you drive, ma'am.
Can I call somebody?
2252.
You can call somebody to come pick you up, but I got to tell you.
Okay, well, can I call somebody real quick?
Here, give me 1 minute, all right?
1730, I'll be on.
All right.
1738.
I'm waiting on somebody to come up here to do the test on you. Okay, it's going to be a newer officer, so I'm going to let him do it so he can practice it. That's what we're out here for. That's what my job is out here, to deter OVIs, which is DUI OVI, okay? And you were doing 80 and a 55 with 2 kids in the front seat.
I didn't know I was doing 80. Sorry. I was just trying to get home.
Okay? That's child
605 check up.
That's child endangering, too. Okay?
Please don't charge me.
I'm not judging you at all. We all make mistakes.
I know, but I just want to go home.
You'll get to go home. I'm not taking you to jail. Unless you, between now and then, you get really crazy. I wouldn't think you would do that. You know what I mean? Okay, so you only had 1 beer? Is that what you're going to tell me? Or are you going to tell me the truth?
No, I have 1 beer and...
You told me 2 hours ago, and then you just told the deputy 1 hour ago. So, it's all recorded. I'm just saying, it's all not making...
An hour and a half, 2 hours. I had a beer and some mixed drink, but it was like a Jello shot. It's not...
Okay. Well, here's what's going to happen next. I'm going to have, you got anything wrong with your legs or anything?
No.
Okay. Well, we're going to do a test. It's going to be the one leg stand.
She's already adjusting her story about how much she drank. Why do so many people downplay it right after a stop like this?
We're going to do the eye test one more time because there was some stuff we've seen. We just want to make sure. Hands down to the side again, legs down.
Clear, possibly by the roadway there.
Can you see my ink pen again?
Yes.
All right.
I'll just pull and drop well.
All right. Still see it?
Yeah.
Okay. 677, Sam 655, units check. That's okay.
Look at my ink pen.
They have the one with the hand injury.
2252, you had a bunch of ones.
Subject with the hand injury is off Township ambulance right now. I'm out with it. 605, let's come back down.
Okay. Still sticking to the same
That's
story?
605, are you clear on that?
Okay.
I haven't had too much stream.
Too much.
Sorry for the second
I
call.
had like that beer and then whatever the jello shot was in it. And then I told you I have twins. That's tough, being a single mom.
I totally
It is.
understand.
I had 3 hours of sleep last night and worked a 9-hour shift today.
All right. That's understandable, but you're doing 80 and a 55. You got kids in the front seat. What happens if you get in a wreck? Everything. Can you face me a little bit here? Okay. Legs together, hands down to the side. I'm going to let you pick whatever leg you want.
Total on Sam 655.
To stand on?
Yeah, to stand on, but don't do it yet until I tell you, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do it.
I need to let you know there's a shoplifting report
All right.
at Walmart.
Hands down the side,
From
feet
earlier,
together.
Rush.
I'm going to demonstrate it for you, okay? And then you're going to follow after when I tell you to do so, okay? Are you good?
Yeah,
All
I stand on.
right. Yeah, I know. That's why I said, are you good now?
Yeah.
All right. So you're going to pick whatever leg you want, and you're going to raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground, okay? All right. And I'm going to show you 6 inches. All right. Hands down the side, and you're going to look straight at. You're going to look down. You're going to go 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000 until I tell you to stop. All right. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep. Go ahead.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000.
That's clear. It comes back to Terry Locke, the 69-year-old male. He's going to be valid negative, also CCW holder.
7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000.
I didn't tell you to stop yet. Continue. Pick it back up and do it again. Start off where you just left off at, please.
That's the piece here. We're in the back.
Wherever you left off at.
I'm sorry for all that.
1,000, 13, 1,000, 14, 1,000, 15, 1,000, 16,
No worries.
17, 1,000,
2222.
18, 1,000, 19, 1,000.
You can stop. You're good. You're good. All right. All right. So the next one, we're going to go on this line. This is kind of like, let's go.
It's like
Yeah, that's why I'm going to come down here, okay? We're going to start right over here, okay?
on this one?
Yep. Put your left foot on there. Right foot in front of your left foot. All right, stand like that. Do not start until I tell you to do so, okay? And I'm going to demonstrate it for you. Left foot on the line, right foot directly in front of it, okay? And you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down, okay? When you get to the 9th one, you're going to pivot. All right? And then you're going to go take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, put your right foot in front of that one.
But you also, before you start, watch your feet while you walk, count out loud, and don't stop.
Correct.
So you took the 9 steps, turn around, took 9 steps back, okay? You get all those instructions?
Yes, sir.
All right.
All righty, thank you.
Can I take my shoes off?
If that helps,
If that
These
helps.
shoes are kind of weird.
it's fine.
Okay. Left foot on the line, right foot in front of it.
Okay.
Right foot in front of it, touching heel to toe, 9 heel to toe steps. Count out loud.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Those field tests are revealing a lot. With kids in the car and speeds that high, you can't help but think about what could have happened.
The borderline.
Yeah, what do you want to do?
I can take her down, let her blow. She is doing 80.
Yeah.
55. Kids are not strapped in.
Hey, Tess, don't let her get back in the car.
Take her down, let her blood, see what it is, and then go from there.
You discuss.
Alyssa, I'm gonna have you step back here with me.
We're at Dayton Town.
Okay.
All right. Well, there's some clues that I seen, so I'm gonna place you under arrest for OVI, okay? And we're gonna take care of the kids. We'll get those taken care of,
It should
okay?
be right in front of the car.
All right. I'm gonna have you.
Before exit 21.
I'm gonna have you
on the median side.
have a seat in the car. Where's your vape at?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's in my hand.
Okay. You have anything on you I need to know about?
I didn't.
Anything hidden? All right. Just have a seat here. Actually, I'm gonna take you on the other side, so it's
He's
a lot
supposed to
easier.
give me my phone so I can...
Yeah, we'll get it. We're gonna put you on the other side. Here, I'm gonna put you on the other side, so it's a lot easier. Oops, sorry. Have a seat there. That's just a seat belt. Don't let that freak you out. All right. You know your password?
There's no RO attached.
5, 3, 2, 8, 3, 3. Just in my call log, click contacts. Just scroll down.
Split-second decisions under stress can lead to moments like this. What would you have done differently? Subscribe for more raw body cam cases